Espero Jasminaki. Espero Jasminaki. ¿No va a venir? Pues no lo sé. Yung anak ko nasa likod, guys. Tanggalin ko yung sunglass ko para mabasa ko yung ano nyo. Comments. Ano ba to? Hindi ko mabasa yung comments. Ayan, sino to? Ano po tayo? Walking tayo dito sa Tarragona, guys. Mediterranean Sea. Nasa Cotononian community tayo. Catalunya. Ayan. O, diba? Nakapasyal na kayo. Ang init. Grabe. Three visitors in the house. Mega love shout out. Ayun po. Railway. Yung train, guys. Yung relays ng train. Ayun. Bon dia.
Bon dia.
Ang cute na aso. Ayan o, guys. Car house. Ang ganda ng ano, guys. Car house. Yan yung maganda. May bed ka na. Lahat-lahat. Bahala na kayo, guys. Hindi ko po nababasa yung screen. I cannot see the screen, guys. Sorry. But I hope you like the view. Even my video is jumping like jumping rope. My video is jumping like jumping rope. Jumping rope. Ayan, guys, may ano siya, kuweba. There's a cave. Ayan. Aquí es la última. ¿Volvamos ya o quieres más andar? Y Jasmine se ha quedado ahí. Ay, guys, may nag-snorkel. Mira, esto es la arena muy fina, ¿eh? Pero ahí son más... Brother Peter, you see, you went to Croatia to see the beach. And I am here in Tarragona, Spain to see the beach also. I cannot I cannot read your comment, sorry, but anyways, you see, I have my sunglasses and I cannot read your comment. Oh, it's already 10 minutes, guys, our live.